dog. You sure it's straight back there, man?
Man, ain't nobody here. I already told you.
You sure ain't nobody here?
Man, ain't nobody here. Grab the weed eater. It's a grill right there. Let's just get this shit.
Where the weed eater at?
It's like right around the corner. Let's just get this shit and go.
Man, you grab the weed eater, man. I'm kind of scared, man. Good?
We good. Get the grill. Get the grill.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey, what the hell? Where the hell y'all going with my grill? That's my damn weed eater!
Hey, man. How you think you're buying this shit?
Shit, man, I hope he here.
Man, you can't let him know this shit hot, man.
Shit, man, push it, man.
Get straight up.
Is he here? Open the door. What up, bro? Shit, man, just cool and shit.
What's up with you, bro?
Cool.
Man, we got that shit.
Got a weed eater and a grill.
Weed eater and the grill.
Yeah, I got 10 for decaf for criminals. I take it. I got number $2.
Shit, we trying to get criminal prisons too.
I got you a criminal present, but ain't gonna be working now.
Let me get the $2. And we'll see. What a Christmas present. No, I said.
Man, that's just for him, man. I need a new pair of socks, man. I've been wearing these same goddamn socks for about 2 goddamn months.
What else you got, bro?
About 360.
Shit.
Some shoes.
Let me get the S-Box. Get the shoes too, bro. What is this?
About 360 connect.
Saying that X-Box, so we gonna keep it.
Man, need some J's, man, or some G's. I don't.
Yeah, do steaks come with this grill?
Steaks.
Oh shit, that's yours. My bad, bro.
Shit, you ain't paid me yet.
Yeah.
Them $200 there on this plate.
$200. These bitches don't even say air on it.
Man, hey, we gonna need something, bro.
I ain't got nothing on scratch.
No, let's right, bro.
Let go. Appreciate it anyway.
Y'all have a nice day.